how to transfer money with NAB Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money with NAB Bank. So to do that, first of all, open the NAB app and simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the pay and transfer tab on the bottom right side of your screen. After that, you'll be provided with all of these different transfer options, such as transfer between accounts, pay someone, or international transfer. So since we are here to transfer money with NAB Bank, we'll tap on the first option. After that, you'll have to choose from which account you will be sending your money from. So in my case, I'll simply choose my NAB Classic Banking, and then I'll choose my NAB savings account where it says to. So this is basically where we are sending the money to. After that, enter the amount you'd like to send, then tap on the option continue. After that, your money will be sent from one account to another. Now, in case you are trying to send money using NAB Bank to another person, you'll have to tap on the second option, which is pay someone. After that, enter the recipient's details such as their name, their BSP number, their account number, the amount, and the description. Now, once you've done all of those, tap on the option continue. And once you've done all of them, you will have successfully sent money with NAB Bank. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.